Some apps give you real cash rewards just for signing up, shopping through their system, or completing simple tasks like surveys or referrals. But most people never stack these offers in the right order. By the end, you'll know 7 legit app methods people use to get free cash or cash equivalent rewards, how each one actually works, and which ones are worth your time versus the ones that pay very little. First method is sign-up bonuses from banking and fintech apps. Chime and Sophie both run promotional offers at different times where new users can earn bonuses after setting up direct deposit or completing account requirements. These aren't ongoing rewards, so people miss them by signing up without checking current offers first. Second method is cashback shopping apps. Rakuten gives cashback when you shop through its links instead of going directly to a store. It works because retailers pay affiliate commissions, and Rakuten shares part of that commission back with you. Third method is receipt scanning apps. Ibotta pays cashback after you upload receipts from grocery or retail purchases. It works best when you activate offers before you shop, not after. Fourth method is survey and task apps. Swagbucks pays users for completing surveys, watching content, or trying offers. It's not high income, but it works as small passive earning during downtime. Fifth method is referral programs inside finance apps. PayPal and similar payment apps often run referral rewards, where both users get credited when a new user signs up and completes basic activity. Sixth method is cashback debit or credit card ecosystems. Cash App and other payment platforms sometimes offer boosts or rewards on specific merchants, which function like limited-time cashback deals inside the app. Seventh method is rewards apps tied to everyday actions like walking, shopping, or gaming. Fetch Rewards turns grocery receipts into points that can be redeemed for gift cards, making it a low-effort way to accumulate small rewards over time. The key difference between all of these is consistency. Cashback and receipt apps give steady small rewards. Banking bonuses give occasional larger payouts. Survey apps sit in between but require more time for less money. Most people don't maximize this because they use only one app instead of stacking 2 or 3 that match their normal spending. If you want the fastest results, start with one cashback app and one receipt app, so you earn on both online and offline purchases without changing your habits. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of apps that actually pay real rewards without complicated setups.